Tired of spending hours setting up coding environments just to write a few lines of code? What if you could collaborate and launch full-stack apps all from your browser without installing a thing? And better yet, what if you could get paid for doing it? Well, welcome to Replit, where building and earning with the code has never been this simple. Let's break it all down. Today, we're diving into Replit, which is a powerful all-in-one development platform where you can code, collaborate, and deploy right from your browser. So whether you're a complete beginner, a freelance developer, or someone launching side projects, Replit gives you everything you need to start building in minutes. So in this video, we'll explore 3 of its most useful features: how to import existing code or designs, how to earn money using the Bounties marketplace, and how to instantly launch apps using ready-made templates. So let's get started. One of Replit's strongest features is how easy it makes it to bring in existing projects from other tools and platforms. When you click on import code or design, you're given several options to migrate your work directly into Replit. First up, there is GitHub integration. So GitHub integration lets you import any public or private repo into Replit, so you can continue working on it right in your browser. It's ideal for developers who want to edit, run, and even deploy projects without ever leaving the Replit interface. Then you've got Figma Design Import. This is perfect for designers. It allows you to convert your Figma mockups into live interactive applications using Replit Agent. You can go from static design to working code in just a few clicks. Next is Lovable, which helps you migrate your full website into Replit and makes it production ready. Whether it's a blog or a portfolio site, you can host and update it from one place. And finally, we have Bolt. So Bolt lets you import prototypes and turn them into fully functioning applications. So the whole idea here is to remove the friction of starting from scratch. Instead of copying and pasting code across platforms, you can just import and start building. All right, so that wraps up feature number 1. Now let's move on to something a bit more exciting on how you can earn real money. So if you're looking to make money as a developer, Replit's Bounties feature is a game changer. It's essentially a built-in freelance marketplace where users can post jobs or bounties that other developers can claim and complete for payment. So here's how it works. Anyone can create a bounty by describing the tasks they need done, setting a deadline, and offering a budget. Other users like you can apply to take on the job, complete it, and get paid once the solution is delivered and approved. Also, you can create your own bounty if you're looking for several developers and you want your project to be done. So the bounties cover a wide range of skills, from fixing bugs and writing Python scripts to building full stack applications or even writing automation tools. What's great is that Replit handles the entire workflow from collaboration and code submission to payment processing. So you don't need to rely on third-party platforms. This is a fantastic feature for freelancers who want to earn extra income, beginners looking to build their portfolio, and teams or startups who want to outsource small tasks. So once you deliver a few successful bounties, you also build your credibility in the community. All right, we've covered how to bring in existing work and how to get paid. Now let's talk about how Replit helps you get started from scratch with zero startup. Replit's templates feature is all about saving time and reducing setup. Instead of building everything from the ground up, you can pick from a library of pre-configured project templates that are ready to go. There are templates for basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript websites, Python scripts and machine learning projects, React apps, Flask APIs, Discord bots, and even full stack templates. When you select a template, Replit automatically sets up the environment, installs the dependencies, and opens the editor, so you can start coding right away. For example, if you choose a Flask API template, Replit will already have Flask installed and the project structured, so you can get right to building your routes and endpoints. So this is incredibly useful for students who want to learn by modifying working projects, developers building quick MVPs or side projects, and instructors who want to give students a consistent starting point. And the best part, you can customize any template, deploy it, and even share it with others. So whether you want to experiment or ship a product, templates let you skip the boring setup and focus on what matters. So who is Replit really for? Well, the platform is perfect for beginners because it removes the complexity of installing software or configuring environments. All you need is a browser to start coding. It's also great for freelancers and indie hackers. You can quickly spin up projects, test ideas, and even earn cash from bounties. And if you're a remote team or startup, Replit offers live collaboration, deployment tools, and team sharing all in one place. Plus, with AI features like Ghostwriter and Replit Agent, which is available on some plans, coding becomes even faster and more accessible. Now, no tool is perfect, and Replit is no exception. Here are a few areas where it could improve. First, the performance can lag a bit with larger projects or more complex repositories. While it's great for smaller builds, enterprise-scale projects may hit limits. Second, many of the more advanced features like private RPLs, AI agents, and high-performance deployments require a paid plan. This can be a hurdle for hobbyists or students who are just getting started. Lastly, some of the AI integrations and design imports are still in development. They are powerful, but not always consistent across every use case. Still, for the price, and especially for free users, it offers a ton of value. So to wrap it all up, Replit is one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly coding platforms available today. Whether you're importing an old project, earning with bounties, or starting from a template, Replit gets you building fast. It's not just a code editor, it's your IDE deployment engine, AI assistant, and a freelance job board all rolled into one. So if you're a creator who wants to build apps fast, collaborate with others, or earn from your skills, Replit is absolutely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the best developer tools out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.